This is your grand, very spacious living room. So you get two sides of parallel platform in this kitchen. It's your master bedroom. So just imagine Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Muraj Opulence, codenamed Shivaji Park, located near Shivaji Park, Dadar West. As you can see, I'm standing right in front of the sales office. Right here is the sales office, and that is the main road right here, which will lead you directly to the main road. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, it's constructed on a land parcel of 0.57 acres with single tower, ground plus 41 floors with configuration of 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 19 plus luxurious amenities which includes infinity swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located bang on Lady Jamshedji Road, Dadar West, with Dadar station and Matunga station at a distance of just 1.5 km, Western Express Highway at a distance of just 10 minutes. We have two metro stations, Dadar and Chitla Devi, at a distance of just 450 meters, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. So guys, I'm standing right now inside the actual tower. The construction is still ongoing and you can actually see the view from here. It's such an amazing open sea view. So all the flats are going to be sea view in this apartment. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyers series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you have booked a home giving a token amount to a builder, but now you want to cancel it. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any leakage or construction related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very simple and easy to understand language. So next time when you go to buy a home, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Now let me give you this 3 BHK actual flat tour within carpet area of 1077 square feet. As I enter, right here is your foyer space. You may have a look at the foyer space. And then to my left is your kitchen. Come, let's have a look at the kitchen. So you get two sides of parallel platform in this kitchen, quite spacious kitchen, enough walkable space to move around, enough place for cabinet as well on the walls. The window to your kitchen is also going to be sea view. As you can see, right here where your platform end is your place for refrigerator, washing machine, both the side. You can design it accordingly. Now let's move ahead, guys. So now we've entered to your living room. This is your grand, very spacious living room, as you can see. And then in this living room, you get an attached balcony. So a spacious deck with an amazing view outside. You enjoy your morning coffee, your evening tea with this amazing view, open air all outside. So now you may also have a look at the space of the living room. So there's a lot of walkable and movable space. So this flat is builder finish. You're going to be getting as it is shown in the video, and the floor to ceiling height is going to be 12 feet. As you can see, let's go and check out the other room. You get an extra space over here in your living room, so you can design your mandir and other things over here. Let's move ahead. As I move ahead, right here is your common washroom. Again, a quite decent size of common washroom, which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And in your common washroom, you even have a shower area. And then right in front of your common washroom is your bedroom number 1. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1. Again, a decent sized bedroom, not at all congested. You can make this into your study room or bedroom as it is you want to design. You get French window attached. And then you get an attached deck to this room as well, which is the best part. Now let's go and check out the other rooms. As I come out of my bedroom number 1, here is my bedroom number 2 right parallel to it. So this is going to be your bedroom number 2. Again, a spacious bedroom. As you can see, there's enough walkable, movable space in this room. Again, a whole side of the wall dedicated for your window where you have an amazing view outside, nice sunlight. And you also have an attached washroom in this room. So a spacious attached washroom which you will be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now we'll be going and checking out the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and a 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com itself, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now come, let's go have a look at the master bedroom. Now we are moving ahead. The small foyer space before entering your master bedroom for privacy. And now you've entered your master bedroom. Right here is your attached washroom, which you'll be getting again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Spacious attached washroom. And then comes your master bedroom. So just imagine waking up to this view, guys. You get an L-shaped window. So such a big wall dedicated for your window, which we usually do not get in flats of Mumbai. So imagine waking up to this view, a lot of walkable and movable space in this room as well. This side of the wall can be dedicated for your wardrobe. You can design it as it is. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK actual flat tour of Muraj Opulence by Muraj Group, codename Shivaji Park. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.